Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful card gift. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need sturdy cardstock, a good pair of scissors, and reliable adhesive. Next, select your decorative elements like colorful ribbons, fun stickers, or sparkling glitter. Finally, choose a theme or occasion, perhaps a birthday or a thank you, to inspire your creative design process. Now, let's move on to designing your unique card. Begin by folding your cardstock precisely in half to form a strong base. Before gluing anything down, sketch out your desired layout with a pencil. This helps visualize your final product. Remember to incorporate personal touches, such as a small, cherished photograph or a heartfelt, handwritten message, making it truly special for the recipient. With your design planned, it's time for assembly. Securely attach all your decorative elements using a strong, reliable adhesive. This ensures everything stays in place. Consider adding three-dimensional embellishments like foam stickers or small buttons for extra visual interest and texture. Double-check that all components are firmly attached and nothing is loose before moving on to the very last steps. For the finishing touches, write a heartfelt and personal message inside your card. This is often the most cherished part. You might also consider including a small, flat gift, such as a gift card to their favorite coffee shop or a special tea bag, tucked neatly inside. Finally, present your beautiful, handmade card gift in an elegant envelope or a small decorative box for a truly memorable reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.